Dialogue 1. Moving to New York City.
Hi, John. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, but a bit nervous.
Why are you nervous, Nancy?
I'm moving to New York City.
Wow, that's exciting. When and why?
Next week, for a new job.
What kind of job is it?
It's a marketing manager position.
Congratulations, that sounds awesome.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Do you need any help?
No, thanks. You're very kind.
Dialogue 2. Immigrant life.
How is New York City, Nancy?
It's amazing, but also challenging.
What are the main challenges?
Well, the cost of living, culture, language.
I can understand that. It's hard.
Yes, it is. But I'm learning.
That's good. What are you learning?
I'm learning to adapt and appreciate.
Adapt and appreciate what, exactly?
The diversity, the opportunities, the people.
That sounds wonderful, Nancy. I'm happy.
Thank you, John. You're very kind.
Dialogue 3. What does she look like?
John, can I ask you something?
Sure, Nancy. What is it?
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't. Why do you ask?
Well, I have a friend.
A friend? What kind of friend?
A female friend. She likes you.
She likes me? How do you know?
She saw your picture on Facebook.
Really? What does she look like?
Dialogue 4. Opposite people.
So, tell me about your friend.
Well, she's very different from you.
Different how? In what ways?
She's outgoing, adventurous, and spontaneous.
And I'm not? I'm boring?
No, you're not boring. You're.
I'm what? Come on, say it.
You're introverted, cautious, and organized.
I see. Is that bad?
No, it's not bad. It's good.
Good? How is it good?
Because opposites attract, don't they?
Dialogue 5. Personal questions.
John, I have a question.
Sure, Nancy. What is it?
How old are you, John?
I'm 23 years old. And you?
I'm 26 years old, John.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
What does he do, Nancy?
He's a doctor in Boston.
That's impressive.
Dialogue 6. Healthy lifestyle.
What do you do, Nancy?
I'm a nutritionist, John.
A nutritionist? That's interesting.
Yes, I help people eat healthy.
Do you eat healthy yourself?
Of course, I do. Don't you?
Well, I try to, but sometimes.
Sometimes what, John? Tell me.
Sometimes I can't resist junk food.
Junk food? That's not good, John.
Dialogue 7. Public transportation.
John, how do you commute?
I drive my car, Nancy.
You drive your car? Every day?
Yes, every day. Why do you ask?
Don't you know about public transportation?
I know, but I prefer driving.
Driving is expensive and polluting, John.
Public transportation is slow and crowded, Nancy.
But it's cheaper and greener, John.
Maybe, but I like my car.
Dialogue 8. Job interview.
Nancy, I have some news.
What is it, John? Tell me.
I have a job interview tomorrow.
Really? That's great, John. Congratulations.
Thank you, Nancy. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous, John. You're ready.
I hope so, Nancy. I hope so.
What kind of job is it?
It's a software engineer position.
That sounds perfect for you, John.
Dialogue 9. What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies, Nancy?
I love reading, writing, and hiking.
Reading is your favorite hobby?
Yes, I read every day.
What kind of books do you like?
I love fiction and biographies.
And what about writing?
I write stories and poems sometimes.
Do you have a favorite place to hike?
Yes, I love hiking in the mountains.
That sounds exciting. Do you hike often?
Yes, I try to hike every weekend.
What do you like about hiking?
I love being in nature and exploring new trails.
That's great. Do you have any other hobbies?
I also enjoy cooking and gardening.
Dialogue 10. Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports, John?
Yes, I love playing basketball.
Basketball is your favorite sport?
Yes, I play it every week.
Do you play with friends or a team?
I play with a group of friends.
That sounds fun. Do you have any other sports you like?
I also enjoy playing tennis.
Do you play tennis often?
Yes, I play it every month.
What do you like about tennis?
I love the challenge and the exercise.
That's great. Do you have any other sports you play?
I also like swimming and hiking.
Do you swim in a pool or in the ocean?
I prefer swimming in a pool.
And where do you like to hike?
I love hiking in the mountains.